Your person is feeling very lonely. They are basically in that regret because they were declining you and your love for them. They have been ghosting from last few months or years, but now it is something catching them up. They are opening their eyes to the fact that you are the only person who cares about them. But instead of appreciating and recognizing your efforts, they keep pushing you away. Your person knows that they have to make time and room in their life for you, whereas they may not have done it before. They are also seeking counseling at this time. They want to do this for themselves as well as for you, so that they can be truthful and vulnerable with you and have that healthy connection. You were the only one fighting for this relationship before you both parted ways, and your person is feeling the loss of security with you which they once had, and it makes them uneasy and anxious. This was a lesson which they had to learn. They know feel like you are their wish come true, and they have not been able to see that in the past. Your person feels as through whatever happens between the two of you had turned the love you had for them into anger and hate. Whether that be the case or not, they feel like they should be held on tighter to you and not took you for granted. They want to restore the faith and love into this connection. They are aware that they have not been honest when communicating with you in the past, and now they feel like communication is the only key to come towards you. They know you are their ultimate joy, but he delayed taking action. Their main focus is to break down all the walls and barriers which they have put around themselves. Your person is in leading energy. This is a lot to do with you, your detachment from them, and you surrendering expectations related to them. And this connection help them to level up. They are making progress in their journey towards self healing as they have experienced a lot of karma and karmic lessons this year. They have developed confidence within themselves and very much motivated to stand in their truth and have healthy balance in their life. There is an end to pessimistic attitudes as related to their connection with you. They want their true love back, which is you, but patience and forgiveness is required from your end. Thank you for watching.